Buying Bitcoin has never been easier, but there's still plenty to consider when investing in digital assets. Here's how to buy Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is often the first step that investors take into the world of cryptocurrency. And right now, more investors may be looking to take that step. After a lengthy price slump, Bitcoin ended 2023 up nearly 160%. But buying even a more mainstream cryptocurrency like Bitcoin can feel like an unfamiliar landscape for someone used to traditional financial products. The good news, there are many ways to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, from stockbrokers to dedicated exchanges, and even in-app purchases in some crypto-linked applications. 6 ways to buy Bitcoin. 2 of the most common ways to buy Bitcoin include Bitcoin wallets and centralized crypto exchanges. But you can also purchase Bitcoin through some traditional online brokers, as well as a select few money transfer apps. First, decide how much Bitcoin you want to buy. While a single Bitcoin costs tens of thousands of dollars, the cryptocurrency can be bought and sold as fractional shares, so your initial investment could be as low as, say, $25. Here's an overview of how to buy Bitcoin. 1. Cryptocurrency exchanges. You can purchase Bitcoin from cryptocurrency exchanges. Many offer dozens of cryptocurrency choices, while others simply have Bitcoin and a few alternatives. They carry a variety of different fees and consumer protections, so do your diligence before choosing. Cryptocurrency exchanges where you can purchase Bitcoin include Gemini, Kraken, Coinbase, and Crypto.com.1. Traditional stockbrokers. The choices among traditional brokers that give customers a way to buy and sell Bitcoin are few right now. Robinhood was the first mainstream investment broker to offer Bitcoin. Robinhood Crypto is available in most, but not all, U.S. states. Like its stock trading platform, Robinhood charges no fees for Bitcoin trades. Other online brokers that offer access to Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies include Webull, TradeStation, and Fidelity. 1. Bitcoin ATMs. These work like normal ATMs, only you can use them to buy and sell Bitcoin. They are often placed in locations where you might find normal ATMs, such as convenience stores. Before you carry out a transaction, make sure you look at the fees you'll be charged, and have a plan for where to send the Bitcoin once you buy it. Trusts or exchange-traded funds. On January 10, 2024, the Securities and Exchange Commission opened the door for spot Bitcoin ETFs, which track the price of Bitcoin and trade over major exchanges. This was a long-awaited approval from the SEC, and one that is expected to make it even easier for traditional investors to gain access to Bitcoin. The spot Bitcoin ETFs started trading on January 11, 2024, but other Bitcoin funds existed before the SEC's latest approval. The financial firm ProShares launched the first Bitcoin-linked ETF in October of 2021. The fund, ticker BITO, doesn't invest directly in Bitcoin. Instead, it invests in futures contracts for Bitcoin. There are a handful of other ETFs that hold Bitcoin futures contracts, or the stock of companies that own a lot of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, or are connected to those industries. Peer-to-peer money transfer apps. Cash transfer services like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App allow their users to purchase Bitcoin using the apps. You can purchase, store, send, and sell Bitcoin directly through the apps, which is convenient if you're used to those interfaces. Wallet software? Some crypto apps, such as games, crypto wallets, or other online services that use blockchain technology, allow users to buy and sell digital assets directly within their app. If you're using cash in one of these apps, you may wind up using a third-party service such as MoonPay to fill your order. Such services can cost a bit more than regular exchanges, but offer some advantages in the form of quick, relatively painless transactions. How to store the Bitcoin you buy. If you're purchasing Bitcoin, you'll need a place to keep it. Bitcoin can be stored in 2 kinds of digital wallets, a hot wallet or a cold wallet. With a hot wallet, transactions generally are faster, while a cold wallet often incorporates extra security steps that help to keep your assets safe, but also make transactions take longer.